In this video, we will show you how to use your Arkscan universal tablet mount for vehicle cup holders. Place the mount into the cup holder and turn the grip to tighten or loosen as needed for a snug fit. Loosen the 5 tray knobs. Insert your iPad or tablet onto the tray and push in the clips so that they make contact with the tablet. Tighten the knobs to secure the clips into place. Multiple pivot points provide a wide range of motion, including the top and bottom ball joints, which each allow full 360-degree motion. When the tablet is in the desired place, please securely tighten all the adjustment knobs.
Additionally, the adjustment screw handle can be disengaged by pulling outward and then released to re-engage for tightening or loosening.